Well, hello, beautiful children of love all around the world. Love is one and joy reigns two. So beautiful to be with you. You're letting loose, searching, activating your divine self, allowing those beautiful flares coming at you, allowing, embracing, embodying your true love self. Paying no attention to all of the lower, smiling, going on your way. You're leaving it now. Leave it today. Well, I was on my way to you, and I was worried. I was all torn up and nervous, 'cause I knew that you'd be gone. Then I knocked and crossed my fingers while I waited, and I couldn't hold the teardrop when I walked away alone. It's all over, it's all over. My heart echoed, it's all over. Every minute that you cry for her, wasted, don't you know? It's all over, it's all over. My heart echoed, it's all over. Stop your crying, turn around, let her go. I've been running around in circles like a baby. I was in a daze because I loved you so I couldn't see. I was broken in a million little pieces when I saw enough to realize you didn't care for me. It's all over, it's all over. My heart echoed, it's all over. Every minute that you cry for her is wasted, don't you know? It's all over, it's all over. My heart echoed, it's all over. Stop your crying, turn around and let that whore go. Now, of course, we're talking about those lower aspects of yourself, children. You know who they are. Doubtful thoughts. It's like you were running around in circles like a baby. You're in a daze because it loved you so, but you couldn't see. You're broken in a million little pieces when you look in the mirror and realized it didn't care for you. Now it's all over, it's all over. My heart echoed, it's all over. Every minute that you cry for it, it's wasted, don't you know? It's all over, it's all over. My heart echoed, it's all over. Stop your crying, turn around and let her go, let her go. Boy, let her go. You can do this, children. Make a mental note. Write it down if you have to. Every one of those lower actions, thoughts, anything that keeps you out of integrity, loving yourself and loving everyone. Everything is one. Love is one and joy reigns two. Love you.